China continues to remain in denial. Chinese Foreign Ministry says their border troops always strictly abide by the LAC, that they never cross the line. The border troops on the two sides have been in close communication regarding the issues on the ground. This is a statement coming in from China. China denying what has ensued. I want to connect directly to my colleague Abhishek Bhalla, who's going to get us up to speed with the very latest. The Chinese Foreign Ministry has given out a statement which, as per them, says that they abide by the LAC. They have denied any intrusion from their side. I want to bring in Abhishek Bhalla for more updates on the story. Abhishek, China doing what it does best in denial. Will you juxtapose the statement of the Chinese Foreign Embassy where they say that they have always respected the LAC to the latest incident that has happened?
Well, Preeti, from the onset, the Chinese have been saying that they have not crossed the LAC. Now, the problem with this statement is that, there is a dispute as far as the LAC is concerned. What exactly is the line of actual control? And India's stand and counter to this has been that India is not protesting against the fact whether they have crossed the LAC or not, but the fact that they have changed status quo. Now, what this means is that the Chinese came and camped in areas where they were not supposed to be, and that was an agreement between the two sides, between the militaries from both countries, and for years that was being respected. So areas were being patrolled by the armies of each country, but there was no permanent camping. Now, coming to what happened on the night of August 29th, the Indian Army says that they preempted Chinese action and forays into an area on the Indian side, which is south of the lake, which is south of the Pangong Lake, and that's why the Indian Army, in retaliation, initiated this action to thwart all their attempts.
Abhishek, what would be now? What is the India's official stand on this?
Well, once again, India has reiterated that it was an attempt by China to change status quo, this time on the southern bank of the Pangong Lake, which till now had remained calm. There was no action, there were no face-offs till now as far as the southern bank is concerned. Whatever clashes or tension took place, it was on the northern bank of the lake. That's where the Chinese had been insisting that they will finally go back till finger 8 only if the Indian Army also moves back to finger 1. But that was something which was not plausible. India had been saying that this is not acceptable to them, and the Chinese will need to go back to restore status quo ante as of April end. When that did not happen, it seems the Chinese wanted to open another front. But as far as the southern bank is concerned, this is where the Indian Army is much more confident of their strength, because there are good road links, and the Chinese, on the other hand, have to face a lot of challenges if they have to take on the Indian Army here. That's why the Indian Army was successful in thwarting this attempt by China to change status quo.